Hello? This is actually 500 milliliters. I'm just really small. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. I've also got a glass of wine. I love this bit. Ow! Well, Deacon said to me, he said, I am basically retired, Dad. I was like, shit, he's right. Wow. I am back for one stream and Chim tells me to fuck off. Wow. I feel really attacked right now. I'm like a mum that comes home from work and her kids are just telling her to fuck off. This is why I'm in therapy. You fuckers. I'd rather this bed of roses to Bon Jovi. To Bon Jovi? Bon Jovi. My favourite is Bon Jovi. The llama I made at the pub, you found it in your wallet. Some people like bless a person. Me, I bless a person with paper llama. Did you know it spells naive backwards? Paid £1 for the stuff I get in the tab, but supposedly this is out of a mountain. Do you think I could charge more for my leather straps if I say they're straight off a mountain? Paul met me in IRL first, in real life first. Paul, what did you think when you first met me? I'm listening. Creep! Wow. See how it is?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, I'd rather be this kind of overexposed than rather just being like naked in the street though, let's be honest. Not changed, you can still hear my washing machine in the background going This looks quite clear here, it's not there. Use glitter to cover your mistakes. Just do that in life, man. Use glitter to cover your mistakes. I think you know where this is going. Scratch up your car, bit of PVA, bit of glitter, good to go. If somebody breaks your heart, add some glitter. Blind them with it. Somebody tries to rob you, glitter. Or you're robbing somebody, glitter. Do you remember when that came out? Neither do I. Hello. I could never do singing anywhere. I'd either yawn or hiccup. Where's all this forehead suddenly come from? Looking back on my old stream videos, I was like, wow, I'm still weird. I got some wood. I needed help because I had my crutch. I was like, can you help me, please? So what one do you want? I was like, I don't really know. Here's my drawing. I do get quite tired of the whole "do you know what you're doing" look. It's kind of a I don't know what I'm doing. Of course I don't know what I'm doing. Such a confusing schedule. No, the schedule is in place, and that's what I should stick to, but then I nap, so... Yeah, you're really giving me all sorts of emotional problems. Last time I went to get some water, I brought back wine, so it very well could happen again. It does look like if I'm at the side, and I have the body just like this, it looks like I'm not wearing any clothes. Ha!